Last time I answered 1 to 30 questions from the model questions provided by MBOSE for this year. So today I am going to explain remaining means 31 to 39. All are having 2 marks each. So first one, express 505 as a product of prime factors. So 505, since the unit digit is 5, it is divisible by 5. So 5 into 1, 5, 0, 0, then 5 into 5. 1001 is divisible by 7. How we can find out? This one is 100. Then this number 1, make it double, subtract 98. 98 is divisible by 7. So this number 1001 also divisible by 7. 7 into 1 is 7. 3 remains 30. 7 into 4 is 28. 2 remains 21. 7 into 3. Then this number is divisible by 11. 11 into 1 is 11. Remains 3. 33. So 11 into 3 is 33. So 5005 equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Next, let us come to the question number 32. So this one I have solved by elimination method, equating the coefficients. So first equation is twice x plus 3y equal to 5. X equal to 5 minus 3y divided by 2. Second equation is 3x minus 4y equal to minus 1. 3x, then minus 1 on the right hand side, minus 4y from the left hand side. It will be plus 4y on the right hand side. Divide by 3, so x equal to minus 1 plus 4y by 3. Now from the first, x coefficient of x is 1, and from the second also coefficient of x is 1. So coefficients are equal. So now we can do from 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we can write 5 minus 3y by 2 equal to minus 1 plus 4y by 3. Because x will take the same value. If x is here 1, then here also 1. So if the left hand sides are equal, then automatically the right hand sides will be equal. Now cross multiply 3 into 5 minus 3y, then 2 into minus 1 plus 4y. 3 into 5 is 15, minus 3 into 3 9y, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 4 is 8y. So this 8y already on the right hand side, minus 9y, bring to the right hand side, it will be plus. Then 15 plus 2 is 17, equal to 17y, 8 plus 9 is 17, divide by 17, so y equal to 1. Now to get the value of x, you can use 1 or 2. I have used 2. So in 2 what is there? X equal to minus 1 plus 4y by 3, minus 1 plus 4y value we got already by 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3 by 3 equal to 1. So x equal to 1 and y also equal to 1. Now let us go to the 33 question. Question number 33. Find the length and breadth of a rectangular mango group whose length is twice the breadth and its area is 800 meters square. So first we have taken breadth to be x centimeter, length is double, so it will be twice x centimeter. Sorry, meter. So area of the group means area of the rectangle. Group is in the form of a rectangle. Length into breadth. Area is already given 800 meter square. Meter square will be cancelled from both sides. Twice x into x, twice x square. So x square equal to 800 divided by 2, 400. 400 is 20 square. And here is on the right hand side x square. You can cancel this square because x is positive. X means the breadth. Breadth cannot be negative. Length also cannot be negative. If both the numbers are positive, then only you can remove the square. Means you can cancel the square. If x is negative, then it cannot be done. So here we can cancel. So x equal to 20. X means breadth of the group is 20 meter. Length is double the breadth, means 2 into 20 equal to 40 meter. Hence breadth of the group is 40 meter and length of the group is breadth of the group is 20, length is 40. Hence this one is not breadth, this one is length. So this one is not, this one is breadth, this one is not breadth, this one is length. Length. Next we go to 34. This is from trigonometry. Left hand side sin theta minus twice sin cube theta divided by twice cos square theta minus cos theta, and right hand side is tan theta. So from numerator we can take common sin theta. Sin theta is out, 1 will remain. Sin cube theta, twice sin cube theta, 1 sin theta is out, remain twice sin square theta. Here cos theta we take common, twice cos cube theta, 1 is out, so twice cos square will remain. Cos theta is out, remain 1. Now in place of 1 we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, and for this 1 also we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, but since minus is there, both the numbers will be minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now if you simplify, cos square theta will remain, then sin square means 1 minus 2 is 1. Means sin square theta minus twice sin square theta is sin square theta. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, but minus no need to write, we simply write sin square theta minus sin square theta. And from here twice cos square theta minus cos square theta is cos square theta, and this sin square will be same. Now this one is cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So you can cancel this one. Remain sin theta by cos theta, and sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. (35) also from trigonometry. Cot theta equal to given 7 by 8. We have to find a value 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta. So cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Cot square theta is 7 by 8 whole square. We take square on both sides. Cot square theta means cos square theta by sin square theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. And cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We have used the formula. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So whenever you need sin square theta, it will be 1 minus cos square theta, and whenever you need cos square theta, it will be 1 minus sin square theta. So for cos square theta, we write 1 minus sin square theta. For sin square theta, we write 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 means we can write 1 square, so it will be 1 square minus sin square theta means a square minus b square. Formula a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, and a minus b. So 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus cos square theta means 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So right hand side same 49 by 64. So answer is 49 by 64. You can use perpendicular base hypotenuse concept also to find this value, but this is little more easier. Now question number 36. D is a point on BC, then side BC, then ADC. This angle is equal to BAC, means this angle. We have to prove that CA square equal to CB into CD. So here we take triangle ABC. First one take ABC, second one you have to take the corresponding part. A is equal to, this angle is equal to D at, means ADC means at D. So D will come first. Since A is first, D is first. Then angle this angle C is common to ABC and also ADC. C is in the last position. C also will be in the last position. So remain A will be in the middle. Now we have already given BAC equal to ADC, BAC equal to ADC, and also C equal to C. So these two triangles are similar by a similarity. We can take two angles only. No need to take three angles. Three angles A also will be automatically satisfied if two angles satisfied. Now since the corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional, so CA by BC, I have taken CA first, then BC. And here we have to take CB by AC. CD by AC. CA by BC equal to CD by CA. Cross multiply. CA into CA is CA square. CD into BC or BC. You can write CB also. CB into CD. Better to write as per the questions. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 130 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not defective. One pen is taken out at random from the slot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So 12 defective pens and 130 good ones. Total is 144. So total number of possible outcomes will be 144. Let us take E to be the event of taking out a good pen. Good pen how many? 132. So number of outcomes favorable to E is 132. PE means probability of getting E. Means probability of getting a good pen or taking out a good pen. Number of outcomes favorable to E. Total number of possible outcomes 132 by 144 cancel by 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 2 4 into 6. Then this one 4 into 3 is 12. Again 4 into 3 is 12. Cancel by 3. 3 into 11 and 3 into 12. Now question number is 38. This one question number 38. We have to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Here we shall use method of contradiction. Method of contradiction means whatever asked to proof, we just take the opposite one. Since we are asked to prove that this number is an irrational number, so we take that this is not an irrational number, then it is a rational number. Two options only. If not irrational, it will be rational. If not rational, it will be irrational. Because real numbers are divided into two groups of numbers, irrational and rational, and they are totally disjoint. So we assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. This is not true, but we have taken. So after calculation, we must get an absurd result, an impossible result. So since it is a rational number, we have taken a by b. A and b are integers, and b is not equal to 0. Number in denominator cannot be 0, so b is not equal to 0. So 2 root 5 we take on the left hand side, 3 we have brought on to the right hand side, and we have divided by 2. So root 5 equal to 1 by 2, a by b minus 3. Now rational numbers are closed with respect to PECT. Rational numbers are closed with respect to subtraction, multiplication. It is also closed with addition and division also. Closed means if you subtract two rational numbers, result is again a rational number. If you multiply two rational numbers, result is again a rational number. So this one is subtraction, a by b, rational number, 3 integer, it is also a rational number. So here a minus b, a by b minus 3 is also a rational number. Again multiplied by 1 by 2, this is also a rational number. So if you multiply a rational number by another rational number, result is always a rational number. So what we have seen, now this part is a rational number and root 5 is an irrational number. It is not possible. A rational number cannot be equal to an irrational number. So this is absurd, means impossible things. Why we got this impossible result? Because we have taken that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. That means this line is not correct. Means 3 plus 2 root 5 cannot be a rational number. So there is only one alternative, that is it must be an irrational number. This is the last question, it will be 39. Prove that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Now you can take common list. You have seen the form here 13, here 13, means you are asked to take common 13. So if you take common 13, remains what 7 into 11 here, and 13 means 13 into 1. 13 is out, means 1 will remain. Now how many factors we got? 1 is always there. Given number is always factor of that number. Two factors are always there except 1. For remaining numbers, always there are always 2 factors. Means minimum 2 factors are there. Now here we have seen 1, then given number already 2 factors, and 13 into something means 13 is also a factor. So we have 3 factors. We have seen 3 factors. It may be more also, does not matter. We need minimum 3 factors. So since we have 3 factors here, so it must be a composite number. A composite number has 3 or more factors. Proof as required.